I usually don't do home tours. I just don't. I mean, a house has to be so special that it stops me in my tracks and I say, you guys got to see this. I mean, most homes in the hill country follow a familiar script: stone and cedar or stucco, white farmhouse style, black trim, maybe a metal roof. Beautiful homes, right? Beautiful, yeah, okay. But after a while, they kind of blend together. This home, though, it shatters that pattern. It's modern but organic. It feels natural, like it belongs exactly where it sits. Every material, every line was chosen to blend with the land and not compete with it. And the best part, the view out back might be one of the most peaceful in New Braunfels. If you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for hopping aboard today, because every week we're putting out new videos just like this one about what it's like to live in New Braunfels. Organically Fresh is what it's like to live in New Braunfels with this house, which was featured in this year's Parade of Homes. We're located in the Preserve, which is a newer neighborhood in New Braunfels Hill Country, and it's right next door to Vintage Oaks. Grand Endeavor is the builder here, and Grand Endeavor did a terrific job building one of our client family's homes 3 years ago. And I give them a lot of credit due for building this home, because it's something they don't build every day. It's something different. In my opinion, they hit a home run. But hey, what do you think? Come on inside. This different look comes from homes in the Mountain West: clean roof lines, warm wood tones, soft white stucco, and this natural cranberry stone that gives texture and warmth. It's a fresh take on hill country style, modern but still rooted here. Now from the front door, you can see here, your eyes go straight through the house to the trees. The same stone from the outside carries inside, and the tall ceilings make everything feel open and connected. 20-foot ceilings, massive windows, and a fireplace that ties inside to outside. The design here is clean and simple, so the view does the talking. The office has more of a library feel: dark wood tones, floor to ceiling shelves, built-ins, brass lighting. It's the kind of space that makes you just slow down. This kitchen, which won Best Kitchen in this year's Parade of Homes, is one of my favorite spaces in the house. The kitchen mixes modern lines with organic materials, a porcelain island, durable, heat-proof, and just beautiful. The fridge hides behind custom panels for a seamless look, and these handmade Moroccan tiles, each one a little imperfect, add warmth and texture. The primary suite feels calm from the moment you walk in. Vaulted ceilings with white oak beams and a window that frames the hill country view like a piece of art. In the bathroom, everything is porcelain and brass, sleek, durable, and timeless. The soaking tub sits inside the shower enclosure inside this house, right next to the window, so you have quiet luxury with a view. Even the closet is well thought out. Custom oak shelving, soft lighting. The 3 secondary bedrooms are spacious, each with warm finishes and 10-foot ceilings. The shared bath brings back handmade tile and soft earth tones, and the front guest suite adds its own vaulted ceiling and private bath. Upstairs, you'll find a flexible game room with a built-in bar and a 2-story balcony overlooking the ridge. Pocket doors open to a true theater room, perfect for movie nights or hosting friends. New Braunfels is all about outdoor living, and this place is no exception. I mean, you can sit here for hours and not see anything but the beauty of hill country. This outdoor space stretches 50 feet across the back, plenty of room for dining, a lounge by the fireplace, and an outdoor kitchen. A serving window, this is really neat, opens from the kitchen inside, so the whole house flows right into the view. The wide steps here make the patio feel like it's part of the landscape. You could sit here for hours and not see another house in sight. Like I was saying at the top of this video, very rarely do I do home tours in New Braunfels, but this house just screamed when I saw it in the Parade of Homes, just screamed different to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. I mean, it's modern, it's organic, and it's quiet, it's peaceful out here. To me, it's the perfect fit for hill country. Now, if you want more information about this home, or maybe something similar with a natural feel to it like this home, or you're looking for a more modern farm style or traditional hill country home, any of those, of course, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. You can email me, you can call me, or you can shoot me a text. As always, thank you so much for coming to and watching our videos every week, and we'll see you on the next one.